In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix image issues on your Google Slides using BenchAI Slides. To detect if you're having any image-related issues, hit Scan. Once the scan is complete, hit the Image Issues card to see all the image issues that are present. Scrolling through this, we can see that a total of 3 alt text issues are currently present in the slides. By hitting Locate, we can directly see which of these images is missing alt text. To prove that they're missing alt text, why don't we go ahead and inspect the alt text for all 3. Now let's go ahead and fix the alt text for the second image, which is the bar graph. I'm going to do this by hitting Fix. Great! Our image should now have alt text. Let's go ahead and inspect the contents to see what it says. At the end of our alt text, we can see that there's a sentence stating, "For more detail, see slide titled Appendix AI Software Market Revenue Growth Chart." And if we head over to the last slide, we can see that this appendix does indeed exist. You can now see that if an image is complex, BenchAI will actually produce the appendix slide for you, giving a more detailed description and breakdown of the contents of the image. Great. Let's now finally fix the final 2 alt text issues. If I hit Fix All, it will then automatically add alt text for this first image and the last image. Great. Let's now inspect the alt text of all 3 images to see if they are present. It seems to be present for the first, we've already checked the second, and finally it's present for the third. Congrats! You now learn how to fix image-related issues using BenchAI Slides.